Let's get it. Let's get it. Lock in. Let's get it.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hollywood. Have a day, baby. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. 2 times. There we go.
Let's go. I need you tonight.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Hey, press that in.
Yes, sir.
Right? Press that in.
Yes, sir.
Go play how you're supposed to play. All right?
You gotta show him he ain't the only one. So you gotta show him he ain't the only one who catch the ball. That shit is lit. Oh, this shit lit. Oh, let's go. Oh! Yeah. Working. Keep working. It's clean. It's clean. We pack house at night, baby. Yo, this shit live. Yeah, y'all getting this live. This live. Whoa. What else? They gon' feel it. Where we at? Yeah. Let's go. Game time.
Third and 5 from the Saints 49. New Orleans blitzes. Kirk, straight drop, passes right, and Thielen with a great catch at the 35.
Okay, 1-9. Okay, 1-9. You too little. You too little. You too little.
He went up over Eli Apple, and he brought it in for a gain.
Moss.
I need those.
Moss.
I need that.
Moss.
3 receivers left, 2 right. Cousins back to pass. He's going to be hit as he throws right to Diggs. Caught at the 5, stopped at the 1. Stephon scorching the New Orleans Saints once again.
Work, boy.
It's a connection of 31. First and goal, Vikings.
Get off.
Yeah.
My ball. Okay. Okay. You all right, baby?
Tired.
Hey, you wasn't lying. You said every time you get that damn reverse, you get 8 yards or plus. Every time. I swear to God, I said, the first thing I said was he better get 8 yards. And then that bitch got a first down, like, oh my God. I wish I played offense still. I wouldn't be 300 pounds though. I'd be smooth. I'd be a smooth 270 though, like an algae crumpler. Yeah, that boy was cold. You know exactly. Yeah. Somewhat with a mix of Antonio Gates. Yeah, I got a little sauce to me now. You know, I was ranked, man, and tight end, number 1 tight end in the country, 2009. It's what they don't know. I was ranked in 3 positions.
But that's why you're a beast.
Yes, and you're also a dog.
Trying, bro.
You're doing very well at trying. You're doing very well at trying. Wildcat! There we go! Y'all better get somebody else to block me. Ooh, boy, you're still heavy. What up, fool? Yeah! Put some bass in your damn voice. Let's go. We got more work to do. Keep it going.
can't see that route.
Alec, boy, what up?
What's good, big dog? You doing all right?
Man, I'm chilling.
Keep doing your thing.
Already, fool.
How you doing? How you doing, man?
I'm all right, bro.
You like me?
Yeah, you?
What's up, brother? Good to see you, bro.
Man. You liking it? You good? Man. Keep winning, man. All right, stay healthy, bro. Good seeing you. Hey, 4-1. You all right, fool? Respect, brother. Keep running, boy.